Choose from 10 ready-to-brew barista-crafted recipes, each calibrated with the intention of bringing out the best in every cup. Short dark roast is for short espresso-style coffees. This recipe is suitable for coffees which are medium dark roasted. Short light roast is also for short espresso-style coffees. This recipe is suitable for coffees which are lightly roasted. Long dark roast is for a long black coffee, suitable for coffees which are medium dark roasted. Long light roast is also for a long black coffee, suitable for coffees which are lightly roasted. Bloom and Brew is the morning machine's flagship recipe, with a built-in bloom stage before the brew. This brews a stronger cup of coffee. Mini Filter Brew produces a coffee that is similar to filter-type brewing. This produces a smoother cup of coffee. Kyoto-style drip is a 5-minute slow brew recipe if you like to enjoy your coffee over ice. Classic is the most versatile coffee recipe to brew coffees from different origins or roast styles. Ceremony is in between an espresso and a lungo-type beverage, perfect for medium to light roasted coffees. Short for Milk is a ristretto-like recipe, suitable for coffees to be enjoyed with some milk, perfect for your latte or cappuccino.